In today's fast-paced world, many seek quick solutions to shed extra pounds. The internet is flooded with fad diets and miracle pills promising rapid weight loss. However, these methods can be dangerous and often lead to disappointing results. The key to effective weight loss is finding a balance between speed and safety. This essay will explore proven methods to lose weight quickly and safely, focusing on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper hydration. By making small, manageable changes, you can achieve your weight loss goals without compromising your health. In the following sections, we will delve into the specifics of a balanced diet, the importance of regular exercise, and the role of hydration in weight loss. By the end of this essay, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how to lose weight fast and safely. Losing weight safely is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Rapid weight loss methods, such as crash diets or excessive exercising, can lead to serious health issues. These include nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, and a weakened immune system. Therefore, it's essential to adopt a weight loss strategy that prioritizes your health. Safe weight loss involves a gradual reduction in body weight, typically 1 to 2 pounds per week. This rate ensures that your body has time to adjust and adapt to the changes. It also helps prevent the loss of lean muscle mass, which is important for maintaining a healthy metabolism. By focusing on safe weight loss, you can achieve long-term success and avoid the pitfalls of yo-yo dieting. Extreme dieting and over-exercising can lead to stress, anxiety, and even eating disorders. By adopting a balanced approach, you can improve your relationship with food and exercise. The next sections will provide you with the tools and knowledge to embark on this journey effectively. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of any successful weight loss plan. It provides your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally while helping you shed excess pounds. A balanced diet includes a variety of foods from all food groups: fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and legumes are crucial for muscle repair and growth. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats provide sustained energy throughout the day. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil are essential for brain health and hormone production. By focusing on a balanced diet, you can ensure that your body gets the nutrients it needs to thrive while losing weight. It's important to remember that no single food or nutrient can provide everything your body needs. Variety is key to a healthy and effective weight loss diet. Regular exercise is a vital component of any weight loss plan. It helps burn calories, build muscle, and improve overall health. Exercise boosts your metabolism, making it easier to lose weight and keep it off. Incorporate both aerobic exercises and strength training for the best results. Aerobic exercises burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Activities like walking, jogging, swimming, and dancing can be enjoyable. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week. Strength training is equally important for weight loss. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate. Incorporate strength training exercises into your routine at least 2 days a week. Finding activities you enjoy can make it easier to stick to your exercise routine. Section 5. Hydration, the often overlooked key to weight loss. Staying hydrated is a simple yet crucial aspect of weight loss that is often overlooked. Drinking enough water aids in digestion, helps control appetite, and boosts metabolism. It also helps your body remove waste and toxins, which can improve overall health and well-being. One of the easiest ways to ensure you stay hydrated is to carry a water bottle with you throughout the day. Aim to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water daily, more if you're exercising or in a hot climate. Drinking water before meals can also help you feel fuller, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Avoid sugary drinks and sodas, as they can add unnecessary calories and hinder your weight loss efforts. Proper hydration supports your body's natural processes, including metabolism and energy production. In the next section, we'll discuss practical tips for integrating these healthy habits into a busy lifestyle. Section 6. Integrating healthy habits into a busy lifestyle. Finding time for weight loss can be challenging. With strategic adjustments, you can integrate healthy habits into your busy lifestyle. Make small, manageable changes that fit into your daily routine. Plan meals and snacks ahead of time. Meal prepping on weekends saves time and ensures healthy options. Incorporate physical activity into your routine. Take the stairs, park farther away, or walk during lunch. Keep a water bottle with you to stay hydrated. Small changes create a healthier lifestyle supporting weight loss goals. Section 7. Practical meal planning for weight loss. Meal planning is an effective strategy for ensuring you stick to a healthy diet. It helps you control portions, reduce food waste, and save time and money. By planning your meals in advance, you can make healthier choices and avoid the temptation of unhealthy options. Start by creating a weekly meal plan that includes a variety of foods from all food groups. Choose recipes that are simple, nutritious, and easy to prepare. Make a shopping list based on your meal plan and stick to it when you go grocery shopping. Batch cooking is another useful technique for meal planning. Prepare large quantities of meals and divide them into individual portions that can be stored in the refrigerator or freezer. Incorporate snacks into your meal plan to keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Choose healthy options such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and yogurt. The next section will focus on effective exercise routines that can fit into a busy lifestyle. Section 8. Effective exercise routines for busy individuals. Finding time to exercise can be challenging, especially with a busy schedule. However, incorporating short, effective workouts into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. The key is to find activities you enjoy and can easily fit into your day. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is an excellent option for busy individuals. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest. These workouts can be completed in as little as 20 to 30 minutes and are highly effective for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. Strength training can also be incorporated into a busy schedule with minimal equipment. Body weight exercises such as push-ups, squats, and planks can be done at home or in the office during breaks. Consider integrating physical activity into your daily routine in creative ways. These small bursts of activity can add up and contribute to your overall fitness. The next section will discuss strategies for staying motivated on your weight loss journey. Section 9. Staying motivated on your weight loss journey. Staying motivated is one of the biggest challenges in any weight loss journey. It's easy to start with enthusiasm, but maintaining that momentum can be difficult. However, with the right strategies, you can stay motivated and achieve your weight loss goals. Set realistic and achievable goals. Instead of focusing on losing a large amount of weight quickly, set smaller, incremental goals. Celebrate each milestone you reach, no matter how small. This can help you stay motivated and feel a sense of accomplishment. Find a support system. Whether it's friends, family, or a weight loss group, having people who support and encourage you can make a big difference. Share your goals and progress with them and lean on them for support when you need it. Keep track of your progress. Use a journal or an app to log your meals, exercise, and weight loss. The next section will highlight common mistakes to avoid to ensure your success. Section 10. Common mistakes to avoid in weight loss. While embarking on a weight loss journey, it's important to be aware of common mistakes that can hinder your progress. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your weight loss goals more effectively. One common mistake is skipping meals. Many people think that skipping meals will help them lose weight faster, but it can actually have the opposite effect. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later in the day and slow down your metabolism. Another mistake is relying on fad diets. These diets often promise quick results but are usually unsustainable and can be harmful to your health. Over-exercising is also a common mistake. While exercise is important for weight loss, too much can lead to injury and burnout. Lastly, not getting enough sleep can hinder your weight loss efforts. The final section will provide a strong conclusion and encourage readers to download a free report for a secret natural method to lose weight quickly. Section 11. Conclusion. Unlocking the secret to quick and safe weight loss. In conclusion, losing weight fast and safely is achievable with the right approach. By focusing on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and staying hydrated, you can shed those extra pounds without compromising your health. It's important to make small, manageable changes that fit into your busy lifestyle and stay motivated throughout your journey. Remember, the key to successful weight loss is consistency and sustainability. Avoid fad diets and extreme measures that can harm your health. By following the expert tips outlined in this essay and utilizing the additional resources available in the free report, you can achieve your weight loss goals and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Start your journey today and unlock the secret to quick and safe weight loss.